Hi, it's Grandma Annie and Freddy. We're going to do one more fun snow thing today. Well, it's not really snow. Actually, I put a black piece of paper here on this tray, and I put some white puff paint on here. But you don't need to have puff paint like this. You can just use any white paint. This is what I had handy, so that's what I used. See this, Freddy? It's puffy paint. But you don't need to use puffy paint. You can just use regular paint. And then I have some cars, and you can use any kind of cars that you have in your toy box. Even little Matchbox cars would work really good. And so you put the wheels in the paint. Actually, regular paint would probably work better than this puff paint because it's so thick. And then you drive in the snow. Woo! And you drive all over in the snow. Whoa, it's really fun. Look at Freddy likes this. Look at this, Freddy. We're driving in the snow. Oh, he wants to do it. It looks like fun, doesn't it? And I have this little Jeep here, too, that I'm going to drive in the snow. Woo! If your parents were really driving in the snow, they'd have to be very careful because it's very slippery. But it's fun to pretend like you're driving in the snow. Look at this. This car, if you let go of it, wait. Whoa, it didn't work. It was going by itself. Freddy's so excited he can't stand it. Okay, I got to put you down, Freddy, because you're too excited. Anyway, I want to show the friends what the picture looks like when I'm all done. Whoa, those wheels were going fast. Did you see that? Woo, that's really fun. I like to play with cars. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Oh, it's a beautiful picture. Isn't that cool? I just made it with cars. And you could use any color of paint. It works just the same way. And it's such a fun thing to do because you can just sit and drive around all day and make paintings. So I hope you have a fun day today. See you later.